Hello guys, beautiful Sunday to you all. Just follow me and see how I made this abacha. After watching this video, I know you want to eat abacha, but that's not your problem. Just follow me and see how I make this delicious abacha. And I will tell you, after watching this video, you also want to make your abacha like this. So let's go guys. So I used fish, I used liver, I used a lot of things. So if you have stayed in Enugu or you know someone from Enugu, this is how they prepare the abacha. But I had a little twist on the way. So I had to blend in my onions, some garlic, and red paprika, and half yellow bonnet pepper, yes, and added some water, blended it and turned it to the pot of fish. So if you want your fish very spicy, you can add more pepper. So few minutes later, the fish is already cooked. I brought it down. Then I turned in the liver into the pot, the same pot, yes. Turn in the liver into the same pot and add some water because it takes more time to cook. So you grate in some ginger and add some salt and let it cook until it is soft. So while that is going on, so I soaked in my abacha. Yes, while that is going on, I soaked in my abacha, my or cassava flakes. I'm called cassava flakes. Soak with cold water so that it doesn't get so soft and soggy. While the liver is cooking, I continued with the fish. I preheat some oil and added some fish to it and allowed it to cook. So I also soaked my the utazi leaf. You can soak it any time of your choice. So while it is frying, you give it time. Always fry on low to medium heat and don't want because you don't want it to get burnt, and you have to be very watchful. So while it is frying, the liver is already done. I have to slice them and set it aside. So the fish is ready now. We are bringing it out and then we'll continue. I took it out also and went in with some diced liver. So as you can see, I just transferred my liver and fry it on low to medium heat. You don't want it to get burnt. If that is okay, then you begin the preparation. Into your pot, you add some oil, preheat it for 1 minute, then you add your onions and you go in with your already washed crayfish and stir it until it gets dry. Then you add your diced liver and finally go in with the abacha. Stir it a little. Then you go in with the meat sauce now. All the meat sauce you use for preparing the rishi. Go in with everything and stir. This is just a jollof abacha, yes. So you test for whatever needs to be added, just for a proper adjustment. I added salt, 1 cube of maggi, and this is ehuru. I stirred everything finally, and oh my god, this is very sweet. Just mix everything until it is well incorporated and your abacha is ready. Guys, if you try this method of abacha preparation, you will love it. I know by now you're already craving for abacha. I won't give you mine. I will give you. Can you resist this? Can you? Rush and prepare yours now. Okay, guys, please follow, like, and share. See it for what again? Thank you for watching. Bye.